Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gtrump token. Ticker symbol is Gtrump. Now this is a token on the Basechain, a very popular token, has over 15,000 holders. Now this token is doing very well. They got a couple $1 million market cap. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen there at Gtrump Coin. It says, "Get ready, America, Gtrump for President 2024. Has a link to their Telegram there. It says, "Made for GigaChads by GigaChads." And then it has the contract address, blue verified checkmark, 219 tweets so far. Has a link to their webpage there, gigatrump.win. Brand new project, just joined Twitter in May 2024, and they already have 7,974 Twitter followers. So this token is on the Basechain. So basically, if you were looking to get this token, all you would have to do is fund your Coinbase wallet, MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, whatever wallet you use, fund it with ETH. Then you would bridge that ETH to Base, and then you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter, or you could find it on their webpage, which is also right there, you would trade your Base for the Gtrump token. I keep wanting to say GigaChad, but it is Gtrump. Now, their Telegram, which is at Gtrump Official, has 183 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter. I did forget to mention that this, you probably already know, but for people who don't, this is a combination of the GigaChad meme and Trump meme, and that's why it looks like a very young, chiseled-faced Donald Trump there. And their webpage is gigatrump.win, and over there you can find links to DEX tools and DEX screener, and that's where you're going to be able to see the chart, the price, see how the token's doing, all the statistics, all the numbers, and then they have their Twitter and Telegram on their webpage as well, contract address, a buy now button that'll take you right to Uniswap, and they also have an embedded swap right on their webpage where you could just connect your wallet that way as well. It says, Gigatrump has arrived on Base. The chattiest Trump on the Basechain. So it says Gtrump is featured on Flu's Trade, Crypto.com, OKX, DEX, CoinMarketCap, DEX Screener, Uniswap, and DEX Tools. So those are all their partners there. Now, who is Gigatrump? Well, Gigatrump represents the Maga movement as Trump leads the way to the 47th presidential victory. Join the wave of Giga gains as Chads across the blockchain unite with the huge, I can't do a Trump voice at all, victory of presidential history. Inject that HGH and smash those protein shakes. You're going to need all the strength you can get with the pumps coming as Gtrump will paint the White House green. Now, I just uploaded, this is off topic here, I just uploaded a video talking about the, what is that new Solana? Falcon X. FalX. If you guys are wondering where that video went, whoever's in charge of FalX wanted me to take down that video for some reason, which is weird. You know, maybe I said something bad about them. I don't know. But if you're wondering where that video went, I got an email this morning saying, claim, take down the video. And it said something about, you know, using their trademark or some kind of nonsense. But it was like, you know, basically they just wanted me to take down the Falcon X video for some reason. The Falcon X people. So, I mean, what can you say about that? What's the reason why they want me to take that video down? Well, I mean, if Falcon X, you know, becomes a scam in the future, you'll know why. So just be aware of that. If you guys are following this channel, that's where that video went. It is gone now because the Falcon X people made me take it down. But there you go. Anyways, I digress. Now back to Gtrump. This token does have 0% tax, it says, so you probably will not have to worry about slippage when it comes to Uniswap. Now you are going to have to pay some gas fees though. They're a little bit less on the Basechain and Arbitrum chain than the gas fees on Ethereum, and that is a benefit why they make these other chains. Now it says supply here of this token is 47 billion tokens. They do have merch coming soon. It says here there's order now buttons. One of them will take you to Etsy and one will take you to Amazon. And then there's a disclaimer. It says, please be advised that Gtrump is a cryptocurrency created for entertainment purposes only, is not affiliated with Donald Trump, just for humorous purposes, etc., etc. So always read the disclaimers. Now, they do have a $1.6 million market cap right now. And it says here they have $118,000 in liquidity in Uniswap, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked, according to Dex Screener. Now, it's not like the newest token. This pair was created on Uniswap 15 days, 3 hours ago. According to Dex Screener, they got 100 out of 100 on Token Sniffer. Quick Intel, security, no issues. Go Plus security, no issues. 15,250 holders. 24-hour trading volume today, $143,000. So they do have 2 alerts, though, on Dex tools in their quick audits here. One of them is a conflict. Go Plus security says there's anti-whale. Quick Intel says there isn't, so I don't know why that happens. And then Quick Intel Security also says there's quote-unquote other risks. Who knows what that means, but just be aware of those 2 warnings there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos. Check out the referral codes down there in the description box. Leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.